In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro or Pro Max has a black screen and it's unresponsive. No matter what you press, the screen stays black. Well, I'll show you 3 different things that you can do. First is to actually charge your iPhone. What I suggest is that you take another charger than the one you're usually using and another cable as well. Maybe these were the issue. So you probably have other USB Type-C charger and probably another USB Type-C cable around the house. Take those. If you have a friend or family around, ask them for their charger. If it works with their iPhone or other phone, it should work with yours too. So simply plug the iPhone. And wait at least an hour with this different charger. Once this is done, disconnect the charger. So once you have disconnected the iPhone, what I suggest is you press really fast, volume up, volume down, and then keep press this power button during at least 15 seconds or until you see the Apple logo like this appearing on the screen. So let me simply demonstrate what I mean by this. So volume up, volume down, and I keep press this power button. Your screen will probably be black, but wait 15 seconds like this. I'm simply pressing the power button, nothing else. And I'm waiting for an Apple logo. Here we go. If you see the Apple logo, release the power button. Your problem is fixed. The screen is now working again. If not, wait 15 seconds, then release the power button and then press it 2-3 seconds until you see the Apple logo. If this didn't work, another thing you can try at this point is to keep press the volume button at the same time as the power button, both for again about 15 seconds. Then release and the phone should power back on. You should see the Apple logo, wait, and you should have the normal screen and you'll be good to go. Finally, if none of these tricks happen to work, you can check, especially if you have used your iPhone for a few months now, if there's some lint debris stuck in the charging port. Sometimes after a while this gets built up, and even if you're trying to plug a cable, it does not go fully in. You'd think it won't, but actually you're just pressing all this dirt, all this lint that you had in your pockets inside of the port. So make sure it's clean. Take a toothpick, anything, and try to scrub there and remove anything that could get between the iPhone and the USB cable when you plug it. And this is all. So this is also a reason why many people are not able to charge and the screen stays black. It's simply because the port is clogged with debris and stuff. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if one of these tricks worked, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.